Hi there, Serial Trader here. So I just want to do an update on Palantir, PLTR, and we've dug a little deeper given the overall market sell-off there this last week. So we did have this initial reaction off this equality relationship between A and C. Okay, and that was right there around that 24.72 level. And then we had a nice big bounce up, got as high as 30.19. And then we've rolled over and dug a little deeper here on the lows. But I still think this is a very bullish, longer term setup here. And short term trading aside, I'm trying to think of this as more of a multi-month potential position. So given that, I bought a piece there around 25. I wanted to buy more, and this basically was the opportunity to start averaging in at even lower levels and buying more. So I was doing that yesterday on Friday there, and now I have the position that I wanted to have. And I'll mention that. Okay, so it still looks pretty good here as far as being supported. So here we have a different swing low back here, and that was at 22.50. So we went as low as 22.70 there on Friday. So that prior swing held. So that's nice. We also have the 618 retracement from the absolute low here to the current high, and that was at 22.69. So that was just one penny below that 22.70 low. So basically a perfect touch on the 618. So I'm liking that. This is still close to an AC equality relationship, and that's not a exact thing. It doesn't have to perfectly reverse there. That's just an area to look for some support. And now we've actually got that 618 and that prior swing low coming into play as well. Now, can this keep drifting down a little more? Can we? I mean, I doubt we get down, say, to the 786 retracement around that 1663. I think we're very close, or even at the bottom here. And another thing is, yesterday was the last trading day of the month. This coming Monday will be the first trading day of the new month. That's often where you see major pivots. Okay, that's often where you see major highs or lows. Is near the end of a month or the beginning of a new month. So I like that kind of timing signature as well. That we did put in that low there on Friday. And I think this is basically buyable. And if you really want to try and be cute about it and treat it as more of a short-term trade and put a stop on it and all that. If we get down to the, let's start back from the maybe 4-hour chart. I don't know, 2-hour maybe. Okay, so 2-hour chart. Now let's focus on this action we've had after that B wave peak at 39.21. So as far as waves go here, I think we got our 1, 2. That could be counted as all of 3. That would be our wave 4 up. And then this was our final fifth of C. Let's just adjust that accordingly. And it looks quite good. Looks clean. Looks very mature, indicating it could be completed now. And even within this fifth, if we dial in. If we refine this further, and let's get in, say, on maybe a 30-minute chart. If we really refine on this shorter term time frame, can we get a clean 5 of 5? So we got 1. Call that 2, I suppose. 3. I think we got an A, B, C, D, E triangle 4. 5 of 5. Let's really get this dialed in. Okay, so I think this looks pretty good. So again, 5 non-overlapping waves to complete wave 5 of CF2. I like that we have this triangle here, because triangles precede the final move in a sequence. So that should be the last kind of spike down there, going off the guidelines around triangles, right? Nice little ABCDE triangle. Again, we're getting pretty low on the degrees here. I don't usually want to go this low for counting the waves, but when it's clear like this, just to show it, just to make a point, I like to. And we'll do our AC triangle trend line. Do our BD triangle trend line, right? So I like that. This looks like a very, very, very mature sequence to the downside. Love how we got that reversal almost perfectly off that 618 and that prior swing low on that larger daily chart. And now, if we go even further in here, let's go to the 5-minute chart. Off the bottom, actually, let's even make it 3 minutes. Get rid of the volume so it's not cluttered. So off the bottom, I think we may have an initial impulse wave up. This would be our 3-wave correction down, and now we're starting 3, 4, 5. So we're starting something impulsive to the upside by the looks of it, right? And even here, you know, oh, look at that, bang, perfect, nice 3-wave decline. That's obviously the ABC for possibly that wave 2, right? So just looking real nice here on multiple time frames. Obviously the daily looks fantastic, and now even, you know, very short term, the 3-minute looks fantastic off our pivot there on Friday. So I think it's a good area to be buying. And if you really want to define this as more of a trade, not just a position you want to hold for a few months or even longer, you could put your stop, well, very aggressively, you could put your stop below here at 23.43. Less aggressively, you could put your stop below that that 22.69 area that was Friday's low. So I just wanted to go through this. I think it's a very, you know, good-looking opportunity here. Something I actually plan on potentially holding for multiple months to get, you know, to get a nice move up here in this larger wave 3. And let me just get rid of this short-term labels I put on there. Clean up this overall daily chart. Okay, how's that looking now? Yeah, so I like it. As some would say, I like the stock. So do what you will with that, but this has definitely caught my attention. It's really on my radar here. Now I have the position size I want. Very happy with that. So I will plan on holding this for multiple months. What you do with it is up to you, but that's my take. All right, Serial Trader signing off.